how to allow or deny apps permission to access phone on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. From the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on security and privacy. After that, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on permission manager. In here, we scroll down, then tap on phone. Then go to the allow section or not allow section. And in here, tap on one of the apps. So let's say I want to allow pause to have access to the phone application. I can tap on allow, then tap on the back key, and you can see the pause app will be moved to the allow section. To deny permission to the phone app, tap on the app, then choose don't allow, then tap on the back key, and then you can see that it will be moved to the not allow section. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.